All right, what's going on, everybody? So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you a demo of Carrot websites, Investor Carrot as it was previously known. And I'm going to show you my website. I'm going to show you the different features of the service of the website. I'm just going to show you everything you need to know in about 10 minutes. So you're definitely going to want to watch all the way to the end of this video. And let's jump into it. So to start with, one of the things that I like about Carrot is that they specialize in real estate. As you can see, they have the real estate investors website and real estate agents websites. So they know, like, the background of the founder. From my understanding, he was I think he still is a very successful real estate investor. So they know real estate, and they also know SEO very well. They know how to rank for different search terms. And we'll go a little bit more into depth on that. But if you were to look up like some of the top search phrases like sell your house fast for different cities, it's likely going to be a Carrot type of website. Now, before we jump into all the features, I'm sure everyone wants to know about the pricing. That's like the first question that everybody has. So let's go click on that real quick and I'll show you the different pricing options. Okay, so choose the perfect plan for your real estate business. There's just a lot of different options for investors as well as agents. So I believe I have actually the core plan, but you can get the Content Pro, and you can see, and also Advanced Marketer. And if you really think about it over the course of a year, just to pay $70 per month or $100 per month or $200 per month, just to have your website completely handled where you don't really have to think about anything, is absolutely worth it. The plan that I have, one high converting website, Carrot Lead Manager, SMS, they have so many features. This is a 10-minute real estate video, so I'm not going to go into all 1,000 of their features that they have, but they have so many options and so many resources. Because look, you could get a website for $10 per month. You could just set up some WordPress site or some Wix website and try to do all this stuff yourself, and maybe you could save a little bit of money. But honestly, it's much better just to have someone that specializes in this, someone that can rank different keywords for you, and someone that has proven website templates where they've gotten millions of real estate leads, just to have this handled so you don't have to think about it. I used to have a website, and I'll show you my current Carrot website in a second here. But my website, I used to have to update it all the time and do all this crazy stuff, all this back-end stuff, and hire developers. And I could get it ranked, but it's just so much easier and better just to have a website just already built for you. And that's what this offers. So let me show you my website right now. I'm going to sign in. And so this is my website, and you can actually go to it if you want. It's just actionhomebuyers.com. And what's really cool, they'll show you dashboard, stats, social links, the different content, rankings. So I haven't done too much with this because, like I said, I've been doing more. I get a lot of phone calls just from my direct mail. So the leads that I do get from Carrot are actually really high quality. Anytime I get a Carrot lead, I just drop everything because it's usually a really high quality lead the way they have it set up. But what you can do is you can track keywords. I'm in the Washington, D.C. market, so I could track keywords like sell your house fast DC, which I have up here. And I could see where that ranks, and they have different options to do different things to make it rank higher depending on your market and depending on the keyword. They also have campaigns, content. I'll show you my site. I'll go to view site so I can show you how easy it is to just update it. So this is my real website. This is my real phone number. Please don't call me unless you're looking to sell your house fast. And it is a template. I just got that done, but it works. They've proven that this type of website works over and over again. So I didn't really have to do any of this. I basically customize my phone number, customize contact us. Even the testimonial stuff is already kind of filled out. So I'll just click around. I'll just kind of show you. This stuff is already handled, so you can just get your website set up, today. And if I wanted to change anything to edit it, I could just go to Edit Hero, and I could easily change any of this information. And I'm not going to mess around too much with it. But you could also just put in, I'll just do a fake address, and it kind of fills it in for you. So, you do your phone number, whatever. And then this would be a seller putting in their contact information. And actually what's really good about this website, the reason that the leads from here are so high quality, because I've noticed that a lot of the properties that I've purchased, almost all of them have come from a Carrot site. And what happens is it's a double opt-in. So I've already put in my contact information, but now they kind of ask for it again, which is kind of weird. You're like, why would someone ask for your contact information twice? Well, when you do that, it's like an internet marketing principle. When you do that, it's more of a commitment from the seller. So that if you get a lead and they've put it in twice, that they're really serious about selling their property. So then you would get this, you'd put in all this information, And you can also customize this, but you don't want to customize it too much because, again, they've already tested this like millions of times with, you know, the millions of leads that they've gotten. So they kind of know the best way to go. And I'll show you real quick what an Investor Carrot lead looks like when you get it from your email. So here's what it looks like when you get a property lead. So this was an actual lead that I got. So, you know, please don't take my lead from me. But they have, you know, they have a lead manager, so you can see all the leads that you've gotten, lead source. And then, so it, like I mentioned, it has like 2 different opt-ins. So this is like step 1. And then step 2 is the same property, but they just give you additional information. Like, is there a garage? How long have you owned it? None. The apartment's been refurbished. Not listed. They want to sell fast. 170. I think this was actually, 170 was just kind of like what these sell for. And actually, I think I told them, I said, look, you can probably sell it for 170, but if I was going to make an offer, it'd have to be at like 100. And I would gladly purchase it for 100, but you can probably get 170. And so we're still kind of like negotiating back and forth. You know, we'll see where it goes. But that's just an example of what the leads look like. Here's just a little bit more on the back end, you know, under content, my different pages, so I can edit those. I've kept a lot of this the same, you know, I've just kind of updated my contact information. But some people get like really in depth with this, and you can really customize different things and really get, you know, pretty crazy with it. Let me show you this feature right here, design. So this is the template that I have, and it works fine, but you know, you can really choose, like, they have all these different types of templates that you can use, and some require like upgrades, but they have all these proven templates that already work. And I forgot to mention, I actually have a sign up link below. So if you sign up using my link, it is an affiliate link, so I do get a little bit of commission from it. A little bit of beer money for the weekend. But if you sign up using my link, I'll do a free 30-minute real estate coaching call with you. And as a full-time real estate investor, I can probably offer some value. So definitely check out my link below. And I just want to show you a few additional things. And what's cool about Investor Carrot is that they're like, it seems like a really great team. I mean, they're always doing like new trainings. The customer service is really good. If you have any questions, like sometimes I ask some pretty easy and pretty stupid questions sometimes. And they're very quick to respond. They've been very helpful. And so if we go to trainings, they have things like, 3 leads per day. And you do have to pay, a small additional fee, but, Post to Profits, the Craigslist marketing course, Facebook leads, how to get 3 leads per day. They have all these cool trainings. They also have like webinars. They have weekly phone calls. You see this, like, look, join your weekly Carrot coaching call. You do need to be a pro member, but they have just so many. It almost seems like I'm in like a coaching program as opposed to just having a website. It's like the most interactive, web provider I've probably ever had. And then they have a blog that has a lot of helpful information. If you see this blog, like inbound marketing articles. So, you could just read all these articles and case studies and almost become an expert in SEO, an expert in online marketing just from reading all this stuff. You'll probably get some great ideas. I mean, SEO for real estate agents, 30 highly actionable tips. And, it's investing as well as, for real estate agents. We'll click on resources right here. And this is also pretty cool. I mean, video marketing playbook. I mean, what other company has this? 3 resources to crush the year, build healthy habits. Direct mail checklists, SEO Bible. And this actually tells you can just download this for free. It tells you the best keywords to go after. So if you're making YouTube videos, if you're doing any type of online marketing, it will show you the best, most profitable keywords. Another thing to note is that this integrates with a lot of different software programs and CRMs. And chances are, if you have some type of program that you're using, it probably integrates with what you're using. And here's the team. I think they're based in Oregon. It looks pretty nice out there. I might have to go out there sometime. Started in college. So it's a really like energetic type of team, really helpful, and they're real estate experts. So look, I would just recommend getting their site, trying it out. Use my link below. It's an awesome service. It's going to get your real estate website just handled. You won't have to think about, hiring developers and going through that process. That's a real difficult thing to do. Trust me, I used to have a website where, I might only pay $10 per month, but then I had to pay a developer like $3,000 just to get it running. So let me know if you have any questions. Just drop them in the comment section below, and definitely subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We talk a lot about real estate investing, marketing, different things like that. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.